Happen all the time, man. Rain, rain, rain. Yeah, man. Had to go get me a new phone. My other phone messed up. Had to get that Note 8. Got me some headsets and stuff too while I was there. I'm actually gonna go to a client. Well,
in 1,000 feet, make a U-turn.
When I get to this client spot right here, let's see where I'm going. Okay, I see it. I just gotta text and let him know I'm outside real quick. He actually the manager or the owner, but he told me to come in and talk to him because he wanted me to do his catering bands. But I'm gonna go see real quick. So he said like the overspray and stuff on this one. All right, gotta get this stuff out. And then on this one, you make sure
just get it good and clean.
Right, with a smoker.
Out. We're gonna be running so much because we have like Methodist Hospital is one of our big customers. All these oil companies, energy companies, all been down.
Right.
This is my main client.
Okay.
So I don't want to go in with a raggedy looking van.
I understand. I totally understand. And this one, the same thing.
Yeah, just a good clean on that one. To get it.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll make sure I try to get you right. Okay. Brandon here, Father Sons Mobile Detailing. Rough again, but just leaving that spot. Said he was the general manager of that location or whatever, and it's raining. It's crazy. It's always, but I'm scheduled to come back out and to do those. And he knew it was gonna be raining. I knew it was gonna be raining, but you know, I'll just give y'all a little. I never really do that. Give y'all peeks on stuff that I do, but I'll just give y'all a little peek, cause like I said, we on this how to get business, you know, and like I said, well, how I get business or whatever, you know, man. Like I said, I have a van. But you know, I don't have it on the road just because. Maybe honestly, I don't have it on the road because I was kind of, I can't say proving a point, but with having a van, I'm gonna have to go and put it on the road now because like my clientele is starting to, potential clientele starting to pick up. You know, more people seeing me and they referring me more and more. Like, you know, it's a blessing. Like, you know, God is good. You know, like I say, man, I always said I like to give back and help and stuff. You know, my blessing gonna come off the top, you know. So, man, I'm just, like I said, man, I had talked to Damage Control last night, man. Good talking to you, bro. You know, we chopped it up on some business, you know. Some little pointers and tips and tricks. Talked to Uncle Styles. We chopped it up on some business, you know, or whatever. Things other than detailing, you know what I'm saying? But we just, you know, it is what it is, man. We out here trying to get it and come back with it, man. You know, like I said, it's just a blessing, man. Come to them folks looking raggedy or whatever. If I'd been shaved or whatever, would have been better? I don't know. I got the customer, you know, I got the job or whatever. I just know if you come at somebody correct and come at somebody real, you know, and talk to these people the right way or whatever, man. Like I tell them, I almost said the sky's the limit. I tell my kids the sky ain't the limit, it's only a view, you know. But and yeah, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, getting that job. Probably, look, it stopped raining now, but probably finna go to the crib. Shoes, I might go and clean up. I might as well. I've been looking ragged for a while, but I'm gonna go to the crib and get the kids. Probably go grab us something to eat or whatever. Just chill on this good old Friday or whatever. But the next video will be a detailed video. I'm gonna say that or whatever, because I have a couple of details set up as long as it don't rain. But you know, God say the same. I have a couple of details set up. And man, yeah, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, getting with y'all, man. I'm out here to help any way that I can, as far as help the fam or whoever, you know, prosper, man. Let's go ahead and get it, man. Like, y'all don't understand what we can do. Like, you know, we can change the game, man. It's about helping each other, you know, so we can get on this next level, man. Like, you know, after this, we're going to do something else, and then we're going to do something else. We ain't going to stop. We just going to keep doing something else, but we're going to do something, you know what I'm saying, positive. We're going to do something that's, you know, not illegal. We're going to go get it, though. You know, that's what I'm all about. You know, I might shoot another video next week of something else I just started. Like, you know, but, you know, I'm going to see for my business partner. I actually got a business partner with that one. See what he talking about. They actually want me to do an interview. I ain't doing no interviews or whatever. But we're gonna I might talk a little bit, but as far as, you know, I ain't gonna do too much. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get at y'all, man. Deuces. We're gonna get up out of here though. Good old H, man. We're gonna link up. We're gonna get it done. Leave that. We're gonna make sure we get it done. What it do, George? G-Works? Shout out. Ron Carlo. What's up with it, man? TNT. What's up with it? Shimmy Rides. KC, you say they don't, nobody say your name. What it do, man? You know, down there in Corpus Christi, man. It's a Texas thing, man. No, we do it. Yeah, anybody else I forgot? My bad. You know, y'all know what I say. Charge it to that thing up there. Not that hard. But yeah. Let me go see what these kids talking about, man, real quick. I'll holler at y'all. We're almost at the crib. There's food, fish food. Look, grab one, Mason. Just one. Alright, now throw it over. You see the fish getting it? Yeah. Throw one, Papa. Just one. Throw one, Mason. You see him? You see all the fish?
Oh, look, man, it's a clownfish.
It's a crown. They all...
Oh, no one wanted that one. Oh, that's one big fish. Hey, can I feed him?
Yes, you can feed him, baby.
Oh, honey, you look right there.
Mm-hmm.
I'll feed that big fish. Hey, throw it again.
Yeah, throw it, baby.
Fish over there.
I'm fishing. I was going to take him out.
Don't drink too much. Look, look, Mason. Ooh, 13.
Little spot called Razoo. Baby Cafe.
Big truck. Where did the big truck at?
Don't drink no more. Wait till your food come. Wait till your food come.
18, Brandon.
Got my little appetizer
Hey.
called
Red Rock.
fondue. Basically, it's
Red Rocks.
sit back. Garlic bread, and cheese and shrimp. Good thing these guys are allergic to shrimp, so I get to eat this by myself.
I want my bread.
No more bread. You ain't not my bread. My food. Basically, shrimp etouffee.
That chicken.
Over some. That's not chicken. That's fish.
That fish
Shrimp
was good.
etouffee and dirty rice and fish.
Leo, party of two.
Burger.
We don't supposed to be eating meat, but guess what? Green Eye's doing.
My mama won't come.
Mhm.
My green eye.
Him over here. They bought him some shrimp and he allergic to it, so they gotta come bring him some chicken strips.
Then that's the cheese.
They're allergic to shrimp too.
The shrimp have cheese in it.
No.